Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas and you're watching a bit of Freaks, and in this video I am going to show you how you can add a menu to your WordPress website. So let's get started. Let's suppose I want a menu in this section. So to add a menu to a WordPress website, first click on customize, and in the customize click on menus, and then click on create new menu, and you have to give the name of your menu. So I will name it as top menu, and according to your theme that you are using, you have certain locations where you can put your menu. So it will give you options where you want your menu to appear. So according to my theme, it is showing me 4 options. So I will select primary and then click next, and then click add items. So under this pages, you will see all the pages that are there in your WordPress website. You can also check your pages in the dashboard. So in the dashboard you will see pages, and in the pages click on all pages. So here you can see all the pages that are there in your WordPress website. Okay, so if you want to add an item to your menu, just click on that item and it will be added. Okay, so I will add all the 4 items and then click publish. So here, as you can see, the menu is created. Okay, and now we will see how we can add a new page which is not there in your WordPress website. So just type the name of the page that you want to add. So I will name it as features, and then click add. Okay, and then click publish. So as you can see in the menu, feature is added, and also you can see in the pages section that new page is added. So just click refresh and you will see a new page named as features is added, but by default it is blank. So to add content in the page, just click edit, and then you can add the content that you want to add. Okay, and now let's see how we can add a drop down menu. So drag an item and put it below another item like this, and then click publish. So under about you will see contact us and gallery. Okay, so as you can see here, a drop down is created. Okay, you can also remove an item from the menu. So just select the item that you want to remove, click on that, and below that item you will see remove. So click on remove, and also you can remove the complete menu. So first go to customize, and in the customize click on menus, and click on the menu that you want to delete. So I want this top menu to be deleted. After clicking on top menu, you will see a delete menu button in the bottom. So click on that and then click on publish. So as you can see, that menu is deleted. So that's how you can create or you can delete a menu in your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.